Hey guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to put your pet to sleep in Widgetable. Okay, so let's jump into it. Okay, so let's start by opening the Widgetable app on your device, and then let's go to our pets by tapping the pets button on the screen, and then let's choose our pet. So we're going to go with gorgeous little Duckle. He's so cute. Okay, so here he is. So the only way for you to put your pet to sleep is when the time is around 9 or 10 p.m. in this version. The pet will automatically fall asleep when it reaches a certain time. So this is the way that developers can sort of put the pets so they can join, sort of sleeping in the real world. Hopefully in the next update we'll be able to put our pets to sleep whenever we want to, but at the minute we don't sort of have that option. And that's it for you guys. So really nice and simple, and thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys found this video useful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, it does mean so much to us, and we will see you guys in the next one.